we need to find a nice tension for our work. And so I've actually, this word fox gives us every single direction that the machine can go in while creating an embroidery. So it puts every single angle up and down, side by side, diagonally. But when we turn our work over, we're looking closely, what we're looking for is this middle row. Now, O's and zeros, etc., anything which is oval, will be always slightly erratic because we are going on to an angle, but on the whole, on the straights, we have got a third of our bobbin thread and then a third of our needle thread. So it goes needle, bobbin, needle, and that is what we're looking at as ideal. If you've got the top one happening, it means that your bobbin case is too tight. If you've got the bottom one happening, you're finding that your bobbin case is too light or too loose. So when tightening the bobbin screw, which you're allowed to do, people say, oh no, I can't do that, but you must actually learn how your machine operates. Different threads require different tensions. So on the screw, lefty loose, righty tight. So that's how we gauge with this here. Some machines have different bobbin systems and require different needs. For drop-in bobbins, we're looking for this. And so our angle on this direction will always be slightly tighter than the one up and down, but the middle is what we're looking for as being correct. Third, third, third.